Hey ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you decided to click on today's video and check out what I want to share with you today. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a Profusion Cosmetic unboxing. I saw on their website that they had a few new products and some products that I was interested in and just really piqued my interest, and I wanted to share that with you today. I first want to say, before we even continue, to please remember to subscribe and like to this channel and to this video. I really appreciate your support. It means the world to me. And again, thank you for all of those who are returning, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. All right, so let's get into this video. All right, so as I mentioned, I have picked up some new and some not new Profusion cosmetics. And I just really feel like this is a brand that doesn't get enough exposure to me. I even went on YouTube just to see if anyone was talking about Profusion's newest cosmetics, and I didn't see anything recent on YouTube. I was very surprised. Alright, so the first item I am going to share with you that I purchased is this cute little trio. And as you can see, it has like this cute little tassel here, because I feel like this would be a great, or they probably felt like this would be a great stocking stuffer or an ornament that you can put on your Christmas tree. The holidays are swiftly approaching, but this is actually some of their popular lip glosses that has like a little bit of shimmer to it, and they compiled it into 3 miniature sizes so that you can try all 3. I'm going to do a quick swatch. Like I said, the description is really small, so I can't really tell you what color this is, but I'm just going to do a quick swatch. And it's basically like a sheer finish, but you get like that gloss, that shimmer to it. And I really enjoy these because normally, like I said, and I think in a previous video, whenever I see lip glosses that have like a little bit of glitter to it, you can feel the glitter on your lips and it feels like sand, and I am not a fan of that at all. So I'm really glad that sorry for the background, I'm really happy that when you wear these, you don't feel the grit of the glitter. It just feels like a smooth gloss, really comfortable. It's not sticky or anything like that. So again, this is, I don't know what shade this is, but it's really champagne-like, and you get a sheer finish. Nothing fancy, but if you want to just throw this on with a lip liner or just wear it by itself, it's really good. And the Fusion item I purchased is their very popular eyeshadow blending brush. I actually use this in today's look, pretty much for this entire eye look, and I absolutely love it. I have another one of their brushes. Like I said, when they used to carry Profusion in Target, they used to come with little kits where you would get the eyeshadow and you would get a free brush inside, but they were a lot smaller, and I absolutely adored how their brushes blend. It wasn't like a lot of hair falling out or anything like that. It picked up the product really well, and this one is like even better than the ones that came in the set. And they sell these individually as well as in a set, and I believe this was like $10 or less as well. But again, you can always go on their website and verify that. But this is basically what it looks like. I love that it has like this pointy tip at the end, and it's very soft. It's different from some of the other brushes that I have. It just feels really sleek and just really comfortable to apply your eyeshadow. So a plus for this one. I definitely want to go back and get more, but if you could just take a close look and see, like, you see, I just use it. But you see how much product, that just goes to show you it picks up the eyeshadow really well. And again, I went like that with the gold, wrapping here and the gold print. It's really sleek. And what I was surprised about is the wand. This is typically not a wand I would go for, but I was like, you know what? I said I was going to try everything new Profusion in my makeup look, so let me just try it. And surprisingly, I really like it. And it has like that silicone bristles. And what I like is that I was able to get like the ends, like the smaller hairs on the ends of my eyelashes and really extend it out. So I'm going to keep playing with it, but I for first impressions, for the first time me ever using this mascara, I must say that I like it. I can't say too much about it. I just have to adjust to a thinner wand. I'm so used to like a fatter, more aggressive, aggressively gripping wand, if that makes any sense. But I will be doing a video in the upcoming weeks about my top 5 favorite mascaras, so be sure to look out for that video. All right, let's keep going. I have a few more products to show you from this Profusion. They're Profusion Glow Up Dewy Drops or Highlighter Drops, and this is in the shade Candlelight. I did not use this particular product in today's look, in today's Profusion makeup look, but I did test it out earlier and I actually like the finish of it. It didn't come out cakey or like globby, as I am trying to get more accustomed or acquainted with this new dewy droplet highlighter or liquid highlighter. This form of highlighter has been around for a couple of years now, and I wasn't always a fan, but now I'm starting to get more acquainted with it. And of course, it always depends on the formula and the brand and how they create their liquid highlighter. So I definitely decided to give Profusion's, what they call theirs, a glow up try. And what also drew me to this is that they also included like this mini beauty beauty sponge, Imani. And I thought that was such a pay me no mind. This is what it looks like without me blotting it in. And now I'm going to use the beauty blender or the beauty sponge and just tap it in. I'm sorry for the background noise, but this is how it looks once you tap it in with that. See that? Now when I did it with my finger, it gave me a little bit more separation. Like it wasn't like gloppy, it wasn't like in one spot, but it hasn't completely dried yet. So now I'm just going like this, and look at the difference. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I was highly impressed with it. Next is the Lip Dazzler. I was like, whoa, what is this? And it's basically a double-sided lippy product. You have your nice creamy lipstick on one end, and then on the opposite end you can top your lip with this sheer glitter gloss. And I thought that was pretty daggone cool. And they have different shades. I'm actually wearing it on my lips today, and I really like it. I love their lip colors. This is my first time having a lipstick from the Profusion brand, so I'm definitely going to see if they have single lipsticks in this shade, but this really took me for like, whoo. I really love the application. The lipstick is, let me just show you, the lipstick is like a very creamy nudie shade. You can wear it alone, or you can add, look at that, see, it's giving you just the right amount of pigment, or just the right amount of pinky nudie mauve shade. And then what you do is you take the second part of it, this sheery glittery gloss, and you can top it just like that, just to give your lips that extra sparkle, extra glossy, pretty. See that, y'all? I absolutely love this product. I'm definitely going to get more. They have other shades, not that many, but they are really good. I love this. There were other brands that did something similar to this as well, but this is by far my favorite. Look at that. Just a little bit of that topper. And again, I think this is, I think I can see it. This is in Divine. This is called, I purchased their newest item. This is their Luminizer 2. They have another one, obviously Luminizer 1, but this one stood out to me. I love the shades. It's basically a highlighter palette, and y'all, these shades, case in point, and what I'm wearing on my cheek or my cheekbone here is in the shade Charisma. And I absolutely love the finish. It went on effortlessly. I actually used my Real Techniques fluffy brush to apply it, and I did it in an E shape like this, or a C shape, and it just applied so nicely, you guys. Like, palettes, they have a few new eyeshadow palettes that are out. I did not see anything on YouTube most recently about any of these. I'm so shocked. Like, I talk about them off and on for years, and they have amazing, really affordable products. Like, look at this. Absolutely love it. I purchased their newest Bare Nudie eyeshadow palette. This is a 10, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, I have to make sure. This is a 10 pan eyeshadow palette. And you guys know I love nude colors. I love that naked, barely there type of look. Every once in a while, I just love to add a boost and a pop of color, a burst of color. And that's basically what I did using this palette today. And again, their palettes are absolutely beautiful. I have another palette of theirs, like that Quick and Go palette that comes with 2 shadows, and then it comes with like a bronzer and a highlighter. Those are really good as well. I talked about it before. Check out my IG page. I talk about it in so many different looks. I like to explore and try something easy, especially if you're a beginner and you like to wear makeup but you don't like to do too much. I definitely recommend this palette. It is so beautiful, and you have basically majority of these are mattes, and then you have a few luminous ones. For instance, this one right here, this one is in the shade, let me see, Toasted, and it's giving me more of like a luster. See that? See that? Gorgeous. And that's one swipe, y'all. Oh my goodness. And then the shade that I use as a transition on my eyes today is this one right here, really quickly. And this is in the shade, what does it say? I can't even see what it say. I think it says Ginger. And let me swatch that for you really quickly. It's such a warm color. It's perfect. You can wear this any time of year. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. One swipe. Absolutely gorgeous. And the color that's on my mobile lid is actually this one right here. And this is in the shade, Lord, you know I don't have my glasses on. I think that says New Wave. Got it. New Wave. And this is what it looks like. I'm trying to get it so my light doesn't take away from it. And let me swatch it right here. Gorgeous. Look at that. One swipe. Just wanted to shed light on the Profusion Cosmetics company because I've been using their products off and on for years, and I really just adore most specifically their highlight palettes, those little quads that you can get from like Walgreens or Target in the past. They are really good, and they're so cost effective. Like, they're really good. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It wasn't too big, just a couple of items, like I said, that is from their website that I noticed was new, and then some of their not so new products, but I just never tried them before. Remember to subscribe. I love you all for your support. Remember to thumbs up and to share this video. God bless you, and remember, beauty begins within first. See you in my next video.